try again. The constant velocity is fucking up my arcs. That and the fact that it's a drag knife and I don't write drag knife code. There's no compensation for the knife lagging behind. Not too fast. Let's go. Just the corners are not nicer than what they were before. I think even straight corners look better, as you can see down here. So we'll need those next straight corners. You see? It makes a mess. Yeah. That looks even worse than before. At least the track width is exactly how it's supposed to be, so that's good. So the wonky thing, the wonky cutter holder does work. Well, I mean, now it's not wonky anymore, so that works. But as you can see, straight corners are much nicer than rounded off corners, because it's... I think you really need the drag knife compensation to make that round in the code, and I don't have that. And also the radius might be too small, although the big radius also look crap, while the inner radius looks quite okay. Well, the inner radius of this one looks shit. But it depends, I think, on where the blade is coming from. Not sure yet. Well, anyhow, this is no good. Just a slight miss. See if I can reuse the old blue. Let me see now. Ready for another go. That's fast. Quite pleasing. Once more, but then square. So from 8 minutes 6 to 3 minutes. Almost 3 times as fast, that's good. Well, actually exactly 3 times as fast, because the speed was 3 times as fast. Let's see if we can get it off. And push stop nagging. So yeah, that's the way to go, in this setup at least. dump on my foil, this time not as big as previous time. We just left on the brink apparently. Now I should be able to pull it up. There you have it. Still a little bit. Still some burrs. And apparently only in one side of the cut. I don't mind actually, fuck it. All the traces are the same, that's what counts. So 3 minutes and doing this, instead of 10 minutes and doing etching and stuff and have something that doesn't work. At least not in my case. Well, gonna attach it to the panel. The panel is much better than before, still not perfect by any means, because the top end, I don't know, it's not as flat as an ESL, but it's also bevel related, so yeah, hard to say. It does extend a little bit further than the previous panel, where the tracks didn't align well, and now they do. But still, I don't know, because the bass or mid-range is like push-pull, there's metal in front of it, which is no problem for the mid-bass and, well, no problem at all. But the tweeter part is still single-ended, but there's still this metal in the way, so it's not helping at all. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I must say the low-end mid-range is way better in push-pull with these tracks than, well, I'm not sure if it's better than wire, but I think it is. Well, we'll prove us in the pudding, but if I would have to use this, I would use an ESL for the top end, I think, but that's really expensive, so I'm still looking for a way to make the top end nice so it can match. In SPL as well as flatness. Anyways, this tiny panel is crossed at 120, like a hard cut, like 84 or 48, sorry, 48 dB, to not pump in too much, well, power into the resistor. So also the resonance is like 110 or 120 or something. So it doesn't produce it anyway, but you will pump in power in this resistor. So let's go for Emilia Torrini, Autumn Sun. And I deliberately put some more, no, it's not bass, I mean mid-range like warmth into it. I'm not sure if you like it, but we'll see. It's just, I was thinking about what to do with this kind of setup, and still I cannot figure it out. I think it has potential, but the tweeter is a pain in the ass. I don't like it much. It's okay, but it's not perfect by any means. So here we go.
My youth stood by the harbor, her hand set in a wave.
Oh well.
I
can maybe add a bevel this time the right way without blocking off the tweeter.
Now I see beauty I failed to see when she was me. Life undressed me of her, strap by strap, like a silk dress she fell to my feet. She brought me flowers, said she liked my work. I thought she couldn't do us any harm. He never liked that kind of charm. But how could he resist when her dress let in the autumn sun? I used to watch the sparrow
I'm standing behind the camera and it is
perched on electric wire,
quite loud and a quite hot resistor. I smell it.
like notes of a song waiting to be sung. For you I wrote them down. He laughed that laugh that kept me sane in a world of dark games. She brought me flowers, said she liked my work. I thought she couldn't do us any harm. He never liked that kind of charm. But how could he resist when her dress let in the autumn sun? She watered the garden, played with the kids.
I think this panel will be great for
Birthday, he let her
bass.
try on
Like
his
4 times as
wedding
big.
ring.
Maybe not even push pull, maybe. Although it is nice.
She brought me flowers, said she liked my work. I thought she couldn't do us any harm. He never liked that kind of charm. But how could he resist when her dress let in the autumn sun?
Anyway, the baffle is done by Theo Jansen. Something completely different, but I had just noticed when I was sitting down. If you like technical stuff, this book is fucking awesome. Look it up, Theo Jansen Strandbeesten, or Beach Beast. Fucking nice, pretty. He makes like contraptions that move on like wind and such, all made out of PVC pipe. He rocks. I'm really glad I have this book. Well, anyways, yeah. So I think it sounds different than the previous version, and I'm still not there. Especially the top end is not the way I would like to have it. But anyhow, fuck it, it's a Saturday night. I'm gonna have some dinner. I think some more, I guess. See you around.